Now, let me show you how I regulate my nervous system and keep myself at a pretty even level every single day. So, welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. Over the past 30 days, I have been spending each and every day here on YouTube with you guys, sharing my song of the day, so my music taste, because it's A1, picking your brain with a wonderful, super challenging question that just gets you thinking about things that you may have never thought about, or just thinking in a new perspective, and then following it up with some affirmations every single day for 30 days. So if you are interested in taking part, just go ahead, subscribe, give this video a like to reach more people so they can join the challenge as we enter these cold, wintry months where mental health can really go haywire. We don't want any of that, since we're going to be probably inside more, moving less. We need to come together and thrive in love. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. For the song of the day, it is the song of the day today is ASMR by Maida. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name correctly, but I will look it up so I will not butcher it again. That's the song of the day. My question for you today to pick your brain is, every single day when you wake up, as you express your gratitude, because I hope you do that. If you don't, you should be expressing gratitude when you wake up, because that is like the first thing to start your day. But when you begin your day, after you wake up, I want you to ask yourself, where can my energy be best used? I feel like, okay, I had to take a moment to think because I have so many thoughts. I feel like that is the question that I ask myself throughout the day. If I feel like, okay, I'm doing something that I don't want to do, or how can I make this easier? By me asking, where can my energy be best used or better applied right now? It's me taking note of like, okay, how am I feeling right now? It's like an internal check-in. So I wanted to ask you guys, where right now can your energy, or will your energy be best used? Is it scrolling on your phone and judging yourself? Is it watching a video like this? Watching a few videos like this? Come on. Watching a few videos like this and tapping in and allowing yourself to take some space to feel better and not think about the chaos that is outside and on your phone once you start scrolling. But that's my question for the day, to pick your brain. Moving into affirmations, we're going to start with some root chakra affirmations for this video, and then in the next video we'll move up to sacral chakra affirmations. Okay, you know the drill. If you're new here, we take 3 deep breaths before we do our affirmations to get ourselves grounded and feeling, you know, just more at peace. I don't know what you've been through or how your day's been. You gotta shake your shoulders off, you know, whatever's been stressing you. This is the time to just breathe it out and let it go. Kick it out. Okay. Ready? Take 3 deep breaths with me, and on the 3rd breath, make it deep. Let's do it. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Last one. Make it deep. Let's do it. And inhale. Let those worries go. For right now, they don't exist. For just for this video, they don't exist. I am taking care of my body, mind, and soul. I am confident, and it shows in all that I do. I make choices that benefit my current and future reality. I am extremely proud of myself. I don't know if you meant that one. We're gonna say that one 2 more times. Let's do it. I am extremely proud of myself. That's better. Let's say it one more time. I am extremely proud of myself. I see it. It's working. It's definitely working. My root chakra is balanced. I am giving myself the space to learn myself. To learn what feels good to me. Every single day, I am pouring into myself. I am taking time, no matter how busy, no matter how stressed, to pour into myself. I am grounded. And in moments where I don't feel this way, I take space to do so. All is well in my world, and I am at peace. I am in tune with my heart's frequency. And I feel so protected in this world. I am safe and sound. And nothing can move my center. I trust in the good of the world. I am a part of the good that exists in the world. I am at home with my body. I feel oh so comfortable in my skin. I love who I am. Let's say that one again. I love who I am. I love this current version of myself and am loving this current version of myself. I am living in a form of my higher self. I am the someone that I prayed to be a few years back. I feel supported by those around me. Let's say that one again, because I'm not sure if you really meant it. I feel supported by those around me. And am constantly surrounding myself with people who genuinely support me. With every breath, I release anxiety. With every breath, I release anxiety. That one feels really good. I don't know about you, it feels really good. I nurture my body with what it needs to flourish. I am deeply connected to my inner wisdom. I am deeply connected to who I am. I have a right to be here. My presence has purpose. For I am someone's example of what greatness looks like. And I am grateful to exist in a time like this. My essence is essential. My essence is essential. My energy is necessary. I release all doubts and fears and welcome in good thoughts, kind thoughts. All of my needs are always met. All of my needs are always met. And I give thanks every single day. I know that's right. Deep inner peace is my natural state. I am strong, steady, and grounded. I am firmly rooted in the present and am embracing the here and now for the opportunity that it holds. I want to thank you guys for spending some time with me today. I hope that this helped to get you a little more centered and feeling a little more grounded. I know you've probably had a long day, you've probably been scrolling, but this right here is gonna do you so good. Watch, stick with me. Doesn't have to be all 30 days, it could be all 30 days. Whatever you need, I'm here for you. So I will see you tomorrow.